Dear students, today let's start our 10th chapter. Chapter's name mensuration. In that chapter, a small topic perimeter is discussed today. The topic is perimeter. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand the perimeter of a rectangle. First, our new chapter, chapter 10. The chapter's name is mensuration. In this chapter, we have to study perimeter of rectangle or perimeter of different shapes and area, and also word problems in connection with the area and perimeter. Okay, first we have to study perimeter. What is perimeter? Do you remember what is perimeter? Here you can see one example. Here this is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 length. Then here the length are 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter. A rectangle having 2 opposite sides are equal. Then the other 2 sides are 10 centimeter each. How will we find the perimeter of this shape? Yes, we have to add all the values. We have to add all the length. Here these two are length and 10 centimeter are breadth. Then perimeter equal to 40 plus 10 plus 40 plus 10 equal to 100 centimeter. This is the method of finding perimeter of any shape when the measurements are given. Okay. Next, another one. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. This is the definition of one definition of perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Next, we have to study the questions in connection with the perimeter. Find the perimeter of each of the following figure. First figure is here. You can see a figure. One's length is 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of this shape. How will we find? Yes, you just add all the measurements. 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. Answer is 12 centimeter. So perimeter of this shape is 12 centimeter. Another one, another shape. Here you can see a shape like arrow, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Then this length is a small length 0.5. This opposite is also 0.5. This is 2.5, 2.5. For finding the perimeter, we have to add all the numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 4. What is 1 plus 4 plus 4? That is 9. Okay. Next, 0.5 plus 0.5. Half is and half. Half plus half is 1. Then 2.5 plus 2.5. 2 and half, 2 and half. 2 and half plus 2 and half is 5. So total length is 15 centimeter. This is the method of finding perimeter when the measurements are given. Okay. Next we have to study perimeter of rectangles. Perimeter of rectangle. The equation you already studied from 5th class. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 times length and 2 times breadth. The shorter form is 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. By using this equation, we have to find the perimeter of any rectangle. Okay, first question. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeter and 1 meter respectively. Length is 150 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So first we write length equal to 150 centimeter, breadth equal to 1 meter. We convert this into centimeter because the This value is in centimeter. 100 centimeter. Next, write the equation. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 150 plus 100. That is 2 into 250. 2 into 250 is 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter is how many meter? Sorry, 5 meter. Not 5 centimeter. That is 5 meter. 500 centimeter is 5 meter. Next question. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter means length and breadth. 40 and 10 means length and breadth. Is sealed all around with a tape. What is the length of the tape required? We need a length and breadth. This is the figure of this question. Then 40 centimeter, we have to mark here 40 centimeter and breadth here 10 centimeter. 40 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Length equal to 40, breadth equal to 10, perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 40 plus 10. 2 into 50, that's equal to 100 centimeter. Very simple. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Next, third question. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? 2 meter 25 centimeter is length. So we mark here 1 meter 50 centimeter is breadth. Then length equal to 2.25 meter. 2.25 meter is 2 meter 25 centimeter. The decimal form is 2.25 meter. Breadth equal to 1.50. 1 meter 50 means 1.50. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 2.25 plus 1.50. First we add these two. Then we will get 3.75. Then 2 into 3.75. When multiplying, we will get 7.50 meter. 7.50 meter, not centimeter. 7.50 meter. Next, what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? What is the length of a wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length 32, breadth 21. So we mark here length and breadth. Then length equal to 32 centimeter. Then breadth equal to 21 centimeter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Then applying these two values in the bracket, we will get like this. 32 plus 21, what is the sum? 53. Then by multiplying, we will get 106 centimeter. 106 centimeter. Next, our last question, fifth one. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. This is length is 0.5, breadth is 0.5. Length is 0.7, breadth 0.5. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. Each side is to be fenced with, covered with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? In this case, we need to find the perimeter. Fencing means finding the perimeter. This is the figure. Length and breadth are marked. Length equal to 0.7 kilometer, breadth equal to 0.5. Length of the wire for fencing equal to finding the perimeter. So perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5. By adding, we will get 1.2. That is 2 into 1.2 equal to 2.4 kilometer. That is fencing wire for fencing 1 row. We need 4 rows. So length of wire for 4 rows equal to 4 into 2.4. 2.4 is only for one row. We need for finding 4 rows. So 4 into 2.4. 4 into 2.4, that is 24 into 4, that is 96. Then mark after the one digit. So 9.6 kilometer. So total length of the wire for 4 rows equal to 9.6 kilometer. Okay children, next you have one follow-up activity. Here the question is, the time is 11:32 now. What will be the time after 2:21 minutes? You write the number like this. 11:32 AM or PM, no problem. You write the number, that is this time, the time of like this after 2:21 minutes. Okay. Thank you.